Unique and impressive fashion collections of Asian designers. Over the past few decades, Asian fashion designers have made a significant impact on the global fashion industry, showcasing their unique creativity, cultural heritage, and innovative design. Aesthetics. From avant-garde runway collections to ready-to-wear lines, these designers have captivated audiences with their exceptional craftsmanship, attention to detail, and ability to seamlessly blend tradition with contemporary influences. One prominent Asian fashion designer who has garnered international acclaim is Rei Kawakabo, the visionary behind the avant-garde label Comme des Garçons. Known for her unconventional designs and deconstructionist approach, Kawakabo has challenged traditional notions of beauty and fashion. Her collections often feature asymmetrical cuts, oversized silhouettes, and unexpected fabric combinations, creating visually arresting and thought-provoking pieces. Kawakabo's ability to push boundaries and question established norms has solidified her status as an influential figure in the fashion industry. Another influential Asian designer is Yohji Yamamoto, whose eponymous label has become synonymous with avant-garde, minimalist fashion. Yamamoto's designs are characterized by their architectural silhouettes, monochromatic color palettes, and a masterful blend of tailoring and draping. His collections embody a sense of poetic elegance, with each garment exuding a refined and understated allure. Yamamoto's ability to merge traditional Japanese aesthetics with a modern, global sensibility has garnered him a dedicated following and established him as a true fashion icon. Moving to South Korea, we find the dynamic and innovative work of designer Demna Gvasalia, the creative director of Balenciaga and founder of the fashion collective Vetements. Gvasalia's designs often challenge conventional norms, embracing oversized proportions, deconstructed tailoring, and unexpected collaborations. His ability to reimagine everyday garments and elevate them to high fashion status has garnered critical acclaim and influenced global fashion trends. Gvasalia's approach represents the bold and daring spirit of Asian fashion, continuously pushing the boundaries of creativity. In Japan, designer Jun Takahashi, the creative mind behind the brand Undercover, has carved out a distinct niche in the fashion world. Takahashi's collections seamlessly blend elements of punk, streetwear, and high fashion, resulting in a unique and rebellious aesthetic. Known for his graphic prints, unconventional layering, and unexpected fabric choices, Takahashi consistently delivers collections that challenge traditional fashion norms. His ability to infuse his designs with a sense of youthful energy and cultural commentary has made him a standout figure in the Asian fashion scene. Moving to India, we find the vibrant and intricate designs of Sabyasachi Mukherjee. Known for his opulent, handcrafted creations, Mukherjee has redefined luxury fashion in India and beyond. His collections often feature rich fabrics, intricate embroidery, and a fusion of traditional Indian craftsmanship with contemporary silhouettes. Mukherjee's ability to celebrate the heritage and traditions of his country while infusing them with a modern sensibility has made him a sought-after designer for red carpet events and weddings. In China, designer Guo Pei has gained international recognition for her elaborate, couture-like creations. Known for her meticulous attention to detail and use of luxurious materials, Pei's designs often feature intricate embroidery, voluminous silhouettes, and a sense of grandeur. Her ability to blend traditional Chinese aesthetics with modern design elements has earned her a global clientele and a place among the most revered designers in the fashion industry. It is worth noting that the Asian fashion scene is not limited to these designers alone. From the Philippines to Thailand, from Malaysia to Singapore, a multitude of talented designers are